Hello everybody, this is Lisa from Pressure Crisp, and today we're going to be cleaning out the fridge. We're going to be making some fried rice. I made tons of rice this past week, just experimenting with different cook times and water and whatnot. So I have a lot of rice to use up, and there's some veg in there like carrots. I do have some frozen peas in the fridge. We're just going to throw this all together and make a delicious fried rice. So let's just get started. Okay. Before I go over the list of ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and turn the Ninja Foodi on. We're going to hit sear saute. We're going to turn it on high and just hit start. While it's warming up, I'm going to go over to the ingredients over here. Okay, so our ingredients are right here. I do have a little bit of butter, 2 whisked eggs, or beaten eggs. I have 2 green onions that are sliced, 1 minced clove of garlic, about 1/2 to 3/4 cup of frozen peas, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, or you can use oyster sauce. This is optional. This can be found at an Asian market. We also have about 2 carrots that have been peeled and sliced and chopped up into that size. We also have 1/2 of a small onion that's been diced. You also need salt, pepper, and the main ingredient this is about 2 cups of cooked rice that was cooked yesterday. This is jasmine rice. For garnish, we have some toasted sesame seeds. Let's go back over to the Ninja Foodi. Sneak in like a small pat of butter. I wouldn't say this is a tablespoon, it's probably 1/2 a tablespoon. I just want to rub this, make sure the entire bottom of the Ninja Foodi has been greased a bit. And that's been warming up nicely. I'm just going to go ahead and take those 2 beaten eggs. And we're just going to put those right in the Ninja Foodi. Now I'm thinking we're just going to go ahead and scramble this up. And you want to make sure it's chopped into small pieces. Okay, this egg is done. We're actually going to hit stop on the Ninja Foodi. You're going to take this out and put it in a bowl. So going back to the Ninja Foodi, it's already on. We're going to hit the sear saute. You can leave it on high and hit start. Okay, so to this, we're going to add about a tablespoon of butter. Just put that in the Ninja Foodi. You're going to let that melt. Okay, so that's looking pretty good right there. So to this, we're just going to go ahead and add the carrots. You're going to go ahead and add the onion. The 1/2 a cup of frozen peas, or 3/4 of a cup. Go ahead and add the garlic. And we're also going to do a little salt and pepper here. You don't want to add too much sauce because we're adding soy sauce as well as the fish sauce, and they are very salty. You're just going to give this a stir. You're just going to saute this for probably anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes, because we want those onions translucent and we want these carrots just to cook a little bit. All right, so it's been about 4 minutes and things are starting to get brown in here. I really don't want the peas and the carrots brown. So to this, we're gonna go ahead and add our 2 cups of rice, give or take. Get that out of the pot. There we go. We're gonna go ahead and add the green onion, soy sauce, the fish sauce, and we're going to stir. And you want to make sure this continues to be cooked on high heat. Now, you can always add more soy sauce, which I'm looking right now. I might add a little bit more. This really isn't in the color that I want it to be, so you can just go ahead and add more to your taste. Okay, so to this, we're going to go ahead and put those the eggs back in. Once again, give a stir. This looks really, really good. Now right now, I'm just going to go ahead and shut the heat off. We're going to go ahead and turn the heat off on the Foodi. Ah, beautiful. Okay, so before we do that taste test, I want to go ahead and add that sesame oil. Because sesame oil is just vibrant. I mean, this makes the dish just like the fish sauce. So we're just going to pour the sesame oil in. Going to give it a stir. Now we'll do a taste test. Okay, let's get to that taste test. Here's what it looks like, the finished product. Gorgeous. I did sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds on top. And I mean, if you could smell it in here, the sesame oil, oh, I love sesame oil. It just makes everything so much better. Before I try this, you can add like leftover beef, chicken. If you have tofu, you can use tofu, pork. You can really add anything to this as long as it's not like too strongly flavored, like with different, like barbecue or something like that. But like the shredded beef tacos I made in a different video, you could actually take that beef. It would be a bit spicy, but it would work in this dish. Or if you have leftover, whatever, pork, chicken. Let's get to the taste test. Oh yeah. This is good. This is so good. So good. It just takes a few minutes to throw together. So go ahead and please make this. Please like and subscribe and check out my Facebook page, Pressure Chris. Thanks a lot.